Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove a wire transfer recipient in your Wells Fargo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a wire transfer recipient from your Wells Fargo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some vendors require you to pay them through wire transfer, but maybe you're no longer working with them, so you don't want to accidentally send a wire transfer to them. So sometimes it's better to go ahead and delete them as a recipient. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a wire transfer recipient to help avoid an accidental payment, here on this top white bar, you're going to click on Transfer and Pay. Once you click there, you're going to see a menu, and you want to look for this button here, Wire Money. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the current recipients you have inside your Wells Fargo account. So go ahead and just scroll down until you see the recipient that you would like to delete. So for example, this one right here, and then off to the right, you're going to see these two buttons. You want to click on Manage. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom of this Manage Recipient screen. Once you do that, you're going to see these three buttons, and you want to click here on Delete Recipient. Once you do that, you're going to see this warning. Are you sure you want to delete this recipient? Go ahead and click on Yes. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes, and you're going to see this green box right here, Recipient Deleted. So now that person has been deleted, so I am no longer able to wire them money unless I come back in here and add them as a recipient. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a wire transfer recipient in your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.